What up, what up, what up? Rowdy Food Network coming at you with another one. Hey, yo, check this out, y'all. I got a hit for you today. This right here is a hit with the kids. And this is a hit for the parents as well, because you don't have to sit up on the stove for an hour or 2 hours waiting for your ground beef to stew down, to make your spaghetti. No, this right here you can have done in 15 minutes. Your kids will love you for it, and you're going to love the time that you're going to save. This is spaghetti and corned beef, y'all. Now, I know it might sound a little weird, but don't knock it until you try it. Like I said, the kids love it. And I'm going to tell you the truth. Ever since we discovered this dish, we haven't cooked traditional spaghetti and meat sauce since. This is our new spaghetti. I'm telling you, it saves so much time and it tastes better. As far as I'm concerned, y'all got to check it out for yourself. But believe me, try this meal, y'all. You won't regret it. Okay, let's get started. The first thing you're going to need one large tomato or 2 regular sized tomatoes. You're also going to need a quarter of a sweet green pepper and a quarter of a red sweet pepper. You'll also need an onion, a Scotch bonnet pepper, and some thyme. Okay, that's it for your seasoning. Now for your sauce, you're going to need 3 hot dogs, a can of corned beef, a bottle of your favorite spaghetti sauce, a can of Green Giant, make sure it's Green Giant corn, and some fresh chopped up carrots. Once you got all your seasoning chopped up, we can get started. First thing you got to do, put a pot on the fire. Put a little tip of oil in there. Not a lot, just enough to fry up these seasonings. Now, take your chopped up seasonings and throw them in the frying pan. Fry those up for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now, take your chopped up hot dogs and put that in there with the seasoning. Stir that around for another 2 or 3 minutes. Once your hot dogs are nice and fried up, you can take your chopped up carrots or your string beans and put them in there now. Yeah, just stir that real good and make sure it mixes in with the seasoning. We got a nice amount of fresh seasoning in the pot, so we don't need to use too much powder. Just gonna sprinkle a little dab of all-purpose seasoning on there real quick. While that's frying up, you want to be opening your corned beef right now and getting that ready. best to cut the corned beef in a few slices before you put it in. Once you do that, then you can put it in and crush it all up in there. Make sure it's all mixed up with the seasoning and everything. Right about now, you can hit that up with a little black pepper as well. Yeah, and we're gonna hit that up with a little bit of lemon chili seasoning as well. Now we're going to take another stir and make sure there's no lumps left in that corned beef. Make sure that's nice and smooth. Last but not least, it's time to pour your spaghetti sauce. Stir properly and leave to simmer for about 5 minutes. And there you got it, baby. And that's about it, folks. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like the video, and if you try it, leave a comment. Let me know how it came out. Thanks a lot for watching. Love, peace, and blessings, y'all.
Alright, this is Caesar back in your face, and I'm on Rowdy Food Network, and this is the Cracker Challenge. I'm gonna ace this bitch, boy.
I told my man Caesar if he can eat 5 of these water crackers within 1 minute, I'm gonna give him 100 pounds right now. You know what I mean? What you say? You say you can do it?
Caesar in the building. You know what time it is? We're about to deal with this crackers proper African style.
Okay. Grab 5 of them. Let's see what's going on. You had 2 at one time? Oh my God, you had 2 at one time. Oh, snap, 2 more. You gotta finish them all. Yo, he look like he about to win this joint. All you gotta do is finish 1 more. Yeah, man. You.